Assalamu alaikum. ये आप this is an important theorem of metric space. Every open ball in a metric space is an open set. We will prove this theorem. और इसका proof कैसे करना है आपने? We all know that the subset for any subset A of a metric space, when a subset is open, subset A is open if around each point of A we can construct an open wall of any radius with center in A. ठीक है? But that open ball must contain in A. So we have to prove that every open ball itself is an open set. So let X be metric space. We consider an open ball, a general open ball with center at any point small x with radius r. This is an open ball, and we want to show that this open ball is also an open set. This will be open set according to the condition given above, that a subset A of a metric space, that this open ball is open if around each point of this ball we can construct another small ball which is contained in this ball Bxr. So we take another general point, let's say A, this point A of the ball, and if the distance, I have made a diagram to show all this. This is the open ball Bxr with center at X. Its radius is, you can see the radius is R. And we take another general point, small a, of this open ball. And let's say the distance of the center from this point A, this distance is R1. This distance is R1. And the remaining distance, for example, this distance, if it is R1, distance of X from A, obviously this distance is less than radius. We take R2 as R minus R1. Then R1 and R2 both are less than radius. Now around the point A, this point, we construct this open ball. And whose radius is, what would be the radius of this ball? The radius of this ball must be R2, this, the remaining part. If R1 is the distance of center from A and R is the radius, then R2, what is R2? R2 will be R minus R1. And by taking this radius, we can construct an open ball around the point A, which is, you can see that the whole ball is contained in the ball Bxr. This is the open ball Bxr. And now the ball with center at A, the new ball, this one, which we have constructed around A, B center at A and radius R2. Now we want to show that mathematically this ball is contained in the ball Bxr. So take any point Y in the smaller ball BAR2. Then distance of this point Y from the point A is less than the radius of this ball, less than R2, but R2 is less than R. Now we use triangular inequality dyx is less than equal to dya plus dax. Dy is R2 less than R2, dax is equal to R1, and by adding R1 and R2 we get R, and hence the distance dyx becomes less than R, which shows that the point Y belongs to the ball Bxr. This was the point of the smaller ball BAR2. Hence this ball BAR2 is contained in the larger ball Bxr. This is subset of this. Now what we have done, we have to show that the ball Bxr is open set, we taken a general point A, and constructed a ball around the point A of any radius convenient to us. And this ball BAR2 is contained in the bigger ball. So the ball Bxr is proved to be open set.